Hi guys. Okay, so today we're going to be starting chapter 4. Woohoo! You guys have made it through 3 chapters of 4th grade math already. Give yourself a big pat on the back because you are so smart and you guys are really doing so great so far, and I'm proud of every single one of you so far. So, our first lesson in chapter 4 is going to be really similar to our first lesson in chapter 3, where we're multiplying by our zeros, right? We got our zeros facts. But we're going to be doing two 10-digit numbers, okay? So our two numbers that are in our tens. So for the first example, I have 60 times 30, and then the second example, I have 90 times 40. So if you notice, they go by each step. So step 1 is to solve the basic fact. It's going to follow the exact same steps that you would do if you were doing 600 times 3, okay? So we solve our basic facts, which is 6 times 3. 6 times 3 equals 18. Again, if we need to practice our basic facts, or if we need to draw an array or a groups and items model to help us solve, we can do that. No problem. But we need to get going on our basic facts. 18 is my basic fact. My second step is to count the zeros, just like I did before. 1 0, 2 0. Then I tack my zeros to the back. So I have 60 times 30 equals 1,800 because I put the zeros on the back. Let's look at my next example. 90 times 40. My basic fact is going to be 9 times 4. 9 times 4 equals 36. So I solve that. I count my zeros. I have 1 0 right here in my 90 and a second 0 right here in my 40. So that means I'm going to be adding 2 zeros onto the back of my number. So the product would be, the answer to the multiplication equation would be 3,600. Okay, guys, it's just like we did with the 600 times 3 or the 900 times 4, okay? Solving your basic fact first is your first step. Counting the zeros is your second step. And your third step is to put the zeros on the back. All right, guys, we're going to get through a lot of examples today, and I know you're going to be able to do it, and we're going to move on to our chapter 4, and we're going to do great.